Today we're talking about power banks. Now these are really popular for the summer when you're going to the beach or a long drive in the car with the family. It's always good to have a backup in your purse or in your backpack. This is a 10,000 milliamps power bank. So there's a lot of power to charge your phone multiple times. This is a 6,000 milliamp power bank. It's a little bit less, but it'll do a great job for you as well. They come pre-charged in the box. This one's really easy, 10,000 milliamps. Now look, you plug it into the wall to charge it. You can charge 2 devices at a time. It comes with a cable, and that's simple. You plug the cable in, and you charge your device. This can plug into the wall or your phone, or this can plug into the wall or your phone. You have multiple ways to do this. This is the 10,000 milliamp power bank. Very, very popular for the summer and for vacations. 6,000 milliamp, really easy, really compact. Also very, very good. Has 3 outlets, a micro USB, a USB-C, and a USB regular. So again, they come pre-charged, so you come in the store and buy it, it's already good to go. Very simple, very easy. It's called Esoul. It's our brand. We do guarantee them and warranty them, so you're in good hands. The price is right on both of these. The smaller one is only $24.99, and the bigger one's only $39.99. My family, we have 2 with us at all times for iPads and iPhones. It's not worth being stranded with no battery on your kid's device or your own personal phone. So never leave home without it. They're always in stock and they're very popular for the summer. Stop on by.